Good day guys, in this video I'll show you how to cancel your Super Duolingo free trial on iPhone or Android. Sorry also for the language, I really don't know how to change it. So you just go to this, for example, bird icon, and as you can see in here we'll have a Super and Super Family in the bottom subscription that you can purchase. You can try it for free, but in our case we are just canceling it. So to cancel it, you just go to your settings right here, profile on the top. Then on the very top, as you can see, you will have this little gear icon. So press on it. This is the button that will take us to the settings. And in here, guys, you will have your subscription settings. In my case, I don't have it, and I'm missing it because I don't have a active subscription. But in your case, you will have it, of course, and you just go there. You'll see which type of subscription you have. It's going to be either just Super or Super Family, and then you can easily disable it from here. Also, another way to do this is you just go back into your settings. And also another way to do it is you go to your Play Store, you navigate to your settings right over here, and you open up your payments and subscriptions. Then you go to subscriptions, and you will see your Duolingo here subscription that you can pretty much cancel and manage it. So if you wish to cancel it, you can do it from here easily because all of your active subscriptions are actually tied to Play Store. So all of them you will see here in this section. And yeah, enjoy canceling. After that, you won't be billed at a next month, and you don't have to pay for the subscription anymore. Enjoy. Hopefully this helps you out. Like and subscribe. See you next time.